Hello traders. Today I have an exciting trade recap to share with you. In this video, I will dive into the trend trading and show you how I made a profit. Now, before we go into the trade details, let's talk about trend trading. It's all about identifying and riding the momentum of a stock's direction. By mastering this art, you can maximize your profits while minimizing the risk. To identify a trend, we utilize technical analysis tools. Specifically, we look for higher highs, higher lows in an uptrend, and lower highs and lower lows in a downtrend. These patterns helps us determine the overall market sentiment. When it's time to enter into the trade, we use a combination of market indicators such as moving averages and price action analysis to pinpoint the best entry point. With the trade on, it's essential to monitor it closely. We set our stop loss and take profit levels to manage our risk and ensure we lock in profits at the right time. Let's get into the chart, and I'm showing today's chart for futures market, which is NQ E-mini futures, and I have two charts here, one on 5-minute view, another one is at 1 minute. The chart is in Hikinashi view mode. I like Hikinashi view. It gives me the nice trend view of the candle formations. So I can, make use of it to understand the trend and then, plan my trades accordingly. So today when the market opens at 8:30, the futures market opens previous day at 4 or 5 o'clock, but I pretty much trade the normal regular market period from 8:30 central onwards. So when the market opens at 8:30, before that, this is the 5 minutes view. As you can see, that there was a little bit of nice momentum kind of picking up. And there are two indicators in this chart. One is a slow moving average, another one is fast moving average. The one close is this fast moving, and the one behind is the slow moving one. Okay, so if you see that from 8 o'clock onwards, the price kind of moved up, and then it's kind of keep picking the momentum and the market opens. There was no lag. It's also pretty visible in the 30 minutes. If you go and see the 1 minute view of the chart, where you could see that there was a bit of a slowdown before the market opens, but the price did not break down the moving averages. It was still staying up, and after the market opens, it's kind of picked up and then kept going. In fact, okay. So I was trading on this in the funded accounts and the evaluation accounts from prop accounts. So I was trading on this, and then I was kind of making some profits here. With the trading view, I jumped on over here. Okay, so I do trade in two places, in the funded account as well as in trading view accounts. And this area I don't want to miss it, so I kind of primarily focused on trading it in funded accounts and evaluation accounts. And also I did take a couple of trades here in trading view, and I was almost like close to $3,000 profit over here. Okay, but the day itself is a very good day for a long side trader. I only trade in long side. I don't trade in short sides or bear side. So if you see this, since the market opened at 8:30, it was kept on growing until the market closed at 3 o'clock. Nearly $350 upside. So anybody following today on the long side would have made the profits. So that's a very nice one, in fact. This is 5-minute view. It's kind of pretty visible that the trend is continuing, and then this moving average is never broken. Just kept on going, in fact. Okay. So, but that's not the case with 5 minute. So 1 minute, and in 1 minute you could see that some breaks, and then again price moving up, and then some consolidation here, this segment, and then kind of price picks up again and then moves upside. Okay, and then there is another consolidation here before the price moves up at 12:30, and then there is another move up, and then there is a consolidation about like 30 minutes, and then this is the end of the session for today. And that's a nice upside movement, and then anywhere you jumped on this, on this moving average, once it is broken, so you can just kept riding on this until this kind of kept broken again. So it's easy to kind of jump in and then be with the trend, and then get out from that market when the trend is kind of broken, when the moving average kind of breaks, and then the downside moving average comes into play. I have included a live trade in this video, so please watch out. That live trade is taken at this moment. Okay, so this is where the live trade is taken in the trading view. And if you see here, this segment, there is a kind of the price never broke down below 642. Okay, and then it picked up and then hit the moving average and then came down, and then it pierced through, and then it kind of failed again and then came down. Okay, so watching this, I was also looking at the 5 minute, and if you see this, the 5 minute at 1028 is here with the red candle here, 1028. Okay, so if you see this here, so that at 1028 there is a bit of a consolidation kind of going on here. I see that price coming here, getting and then jumping out again, making a move towards 64. That gave me a lot of confidence that this could be moving upside again when the price comes and then hits the moving average. Okay, so that's when the trade over here was taken. 644, 645, the trade was taken with the understanding that the price is very closest to the moving average, and even if it breaks down, I can easily exit with the less risk. Can easily kind of get out with $5 or $10 of risk, and it would be like $200 per contract will be the loss. But if it picks up, it will be hitting for sure 64, because that is when it was kind of keep on failing. So that was the logic for this trade. And when you see the live trade later in this video, you will also see that the price, we picked up here at 644, I believe, and then waited for the 664 to come into play. Nearly like $20 plus with a 10 contract, it is close to like $4,000 of an upside. That's a trade that I have included. But overall, today, it's a very, very good market for a long side trader. And since the market opened, the 5 minute candle pattern, if you see, it never broke the the moving average. It was kind of kept on riding, and just enter into the contract on one contract somewhere here, and then you just wait on it for this break of this moving average. You will continue to see the profit. And I do a live trade, and I opened the live trade at 8:15 Central Time. Please join, and I talk about the ranges, highers, the resistance spots and support levels, and the higher high and the higher lows for the candle formations, and these moving averages, and when we can exit, when we can enter, when we can exit, and all of that. Okay, and if you're interested, if you want to kind of learn these trade patterns, please join. It's all kind of available, and it's all discussed in the live streaming. Look forward to seeing you in the live stream. Now you can go ahead and watch the live trade. Thank you for watching this trade recap, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel to stay updated with our latest trading insights strategies. Until next time, happy trading.